Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, and this diversity is reflected in its food scene. This city, nestled in the heart of the Middle East, is a vibrant tapestry of tradition and innovation, where East meets West in a symphony of flavors. The cosmopolitan city is home to a plethora of restaurants and dining establishments, each bringing their unique take on world cuisine and infusing it with Dubai's unique charm. The culinary scene here is a reflection of the city's multicultural populace, with an array of ethnicities and cultures represented. Among these culinary havens is Pirshik, a restaurant perched at the end of a pier that juts out into the Arabian Gulf, presenting a stunning backdrop for its diners. Pirshik is renowned not just for its breathtaking location, but also for its exceptional seafood offerings. As you dine, you are treated to panoramic views of the iconic Burj Al Arab, Dubai's crown jewel, and a symbol of its modern architectural prowess. The restaurant prides itself on its wide range of seafood delights, sourced from the freshest catches of the day. Your senses will be enticed by the exquisite marine flavors married perfectly with an array of spices and herbs, making your dining experience truly unforgettable. But Dubai's dining scene is not just about international cuisine, as the city also takes pride in its authentic Emirati cuisine. Taste of homegrown flavors, Al Fanar Restaurant and Cafe is a must-visit. This gem of a restaurant is located in Dubai Festival City Mall, a buzzing hub of retail and entertainment that perfectly embodies the city's vibrant spirit. Al Fanar Restaurant and Cafe offers a journey through time, serving traditional Emirati dishes in a setting reminiscent of old Dubai. It is a tribute to Dubai's rich heritage, a journey back in time to a simpler era, with its rustic decor and intimate ambiance. The delicacies here are reminiscent of a time when life was simpler and food was cooked with love and care. Each dish is prepared using time-honored recipes, bringing out the authentic flavors that make Emirati cuisine so special. Whether it's the slow-cooked stews, aromatic rice dishes, or hearty meat platters, every meal at Al Fanar is an exploration of Dubai's culinary history and tradition. Located in Dubai Festival City Mall, this eatery offers traditional dishes in an old Dubai-styled setting. Indeed, from the vibrant and diverse food scene, one can say that Dubai is not just a city, it is a sensory voyage, a culinary adventure that leaves lasting memories. Dubai's nightlife is as varied as its dining scene. This Arabian city's nocturnal community boasts an eclectic mix of experiences that cater to all tastes and preferences. From the vibrancy of bustling bars to the tranquility of serene lounges, Dubai's nightlife offers a multitude of experiences that all share the same energy and excitement that the city is known for. One of the star attractions of the city's nightlife is its variety of chic rooftop bars. Offering both immersive city views and refreshing beverages, these rooftop establishments are the go-to places for both locals and tourists. The city lights up at night, and there's no better place to witness this spectacle than from a high vantage point. Whether you're looking for a casual night out with friends or a romantic date under the stars, Dubai's skyline bars provide a picturesque backdrop for all occasions. Among the most bustling spots in the city are its dynamic nightclubs. These clubs pulsate with life and energy, drawing in crowds with their infectious music and electrifying atmosphere. The city becomes a playground for night owls, with people from all walks of life coming together to dance the night away. Regardless of your music preference, you'll find a nightclub in Dubai your style. A significant highlight of the city's nightlife is the Barasti Beach Bar, a popular venue known for its stunning views of the Arabian Gulf. This beachfront bar provides a relaxed atmosphere for its guests. From its chill music to its range of refreshing drinks, everything about Barasti Beach Bar is designed to make your evening enjoyable and memorable. As you sip on your cocktail, you'll be mesmerized by the uninterrupted views of the glistening Arabian Gulf. For those who prefer a more polished and sophisticated evening, Vault is the place to be. This classy establishment is located on the 71st and 72nd floors of the JW Marriott Marquis. With its panoramic city views and an extensive list of fine beverages, Vault offers an experience that's unparalleled in its elegance and exclusivity. Dubai's nightlife scene is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. Whether it's a tranquil night by the beach or a lively evening in a pulsating club, there's something for everyone. For those who prefer a more sophisticated evening, Vault, located on the 71st and 72nd floors of the JW Marriott Marquis, offers panoramic city views, along with an extensive list of beverages. Dubai is a city that constantly evolves, and there's always something new to see. a metropolitan oasis in the heart of the United Arab Emirates, Dubai is a thriving hub of culture, innovation, and unrivaled luxury. With its rich history and forward-thinking vision, this city offers a buffet of experiences that cater to all tastes and preferences. Dubai's skyline is nothing short of a visual spectacle. Amidst the architectural wonders that adorn the city, one structure distinctly stands out: the Burj Khalifa. This majestic tower, the tallest building in the world, is a testament to human potential and ingenuity. Rising above the cityscape, it pierces the sky, offering breathtaking views of the sprawling metropolis below. The sight from the top is awe-inspiring, providing an unmatched panoramic view of the city of dreams. The Burj Khalifa is more than just a building. It's a symbol of Dubai's aspiration and its unyielding spirit of innovation. Yet, the allure of Dubai extends beyond its towering skyscrapers. The city is an eclectic mix of different cultures, ethnicities, and backgrounds, making it a melting pot of diversity. You can find a myriad of cuisines, fashion, and entertainment from all corners of the globe, epitomizing the city's cosmopolitan charm. This diversity is evident in the heart of Dubai's retail world, the Dubai Mall. A trip to the Dubai Mall is like stepping into a different world. Home to over 1,000 shops, it redefines the concept of shopping. It's not just a place to buy things, it's an experience in itself. With its world-class entertainment options that range from an indoor aquarium to an Olympic-sized ice rink. Wow, that was a huge fish. This shopper's paradise also hosts regular events and exhibitions, offering visitors a chance to immerse in the local culture and tradition. From its vibrant art scene to its culinary delights, from its rich heritage to its bustling nightlife, Dubai is a city that celebrates life with an unmatched fervor. It's a city that never sleeps. A city that's always alive, always exciting, and always welcoming. A trip to Dubai wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Dubai Mall. With over 1,000 shops and a host of world-class entertainment options, it's a shopper's paradise. Remember, while Dubai is a modern city, it's also steeped in culture and tradition. Blessed with contemporary infrastructure juxtaposed against a backdrop of centuries-old customs, Dubai presents a unique blend of the old and new. It's a city that values its roots, while also embracing the future. Dressing modestly in Dubai is crucial for showing respect to the local culture and traditions, especially in religious sites. These places, filled with the echoes of countless prayers, are sanctuaries of peace, tranquility, and reverence. They are a testament to the deeply held beliefs that form the bedrock of the city's cultural ethos. It's not just about the clothing. It's understanding the cultural sensitivities and respecting them, particularly in these sacred spaces. Moreover, modest dressing is equally essential in the older parts of the city. These corners of Dubai, untouched by the glitz of modernity, narrate the tales of the city's humble beginnings. The narrow, winding lanes, the old mud brick houses, the bustling souks. These are the places where the real essence of Dubai can be experienced. Dressing modestly here allows visitors to blend in rather than stand out, and soak in the authentic experiences that these traditional parts of the city have to offer. The ideal embark on this cultural exploration is during the cooler months of November to March. The gentle winter sun, the cool desert breeze, and the pleasantly warm afternoons make these months perfect for exploring the city's myriad attractions. It's the time when the city is at its vibrant best, teeming with visitors and locals alike. Whether it's the International Film Festival in December or the Shopping Festival in January, there's always something happening in Dubai during these cooler months. Dubai's impressive connectivity infrastructure, particularly the metro, ties this diverse city together. With its sleek driverless trains, the Dubai Metro is a symbol of the city's commitment to progress. It's a clean, efficient, and way to navigate the sprawling city. It connects the city's key attractions, from the architectural marvels of downtown Dubai to the glittering beaches of Jumeirah. The convenience it offers to both tourists and residents underscores Dubai's commitment to ease and accessibility. The city is also well connected by metro, making it easy to get around. So as you embark on your journey to explore this dynamic city, keep these things in mind. And remember, while Dubai is a city of stark contrasts, it's also a city that perfectly balances the modern with the traditional. To draw things to a close, Dubai offers a unique concoction of modern sophistication and deep-rooted tradition. It's a city that strikes a perfect balance between the new and the old, the fast-paced and the calm, the extravagant and the modest. The essence of this contradiction is what makes Dubai a city like no other. Step into this land of mesmerizing beauty, and you'll find yourself in a world that appears to be straight out of a fantasy. With its towering that seem to touch the sky and its golden deserts that stretch out to the horizon, it's a city of contrasts that merge together to create a unique, awe-inspiring landscape. Dubai's world-class dining scene is a paradise for the culinary explorers. Here you can treat your taste buds to a plethora of cuisines from across the globe, served in award-winning eateries that range from ultra-luxurious to delightfully modest. The city prides itself on its gastronomic excellence, offering a diverse palette of flavors to satiate every palate. Moreover, Dubai's vibrant nightlife is the perfect remedy for your evening blues. With an array of top-notch clubs, lounges, and bars, you can dance the night away, relax with friends, or enjoy a romantic dinner under the stars. The city truly comes alive after sundown, pulsating energy and radiating a sense of excitement and romance. Then, there are Dubai's iconic attractions, the monumental landmarks that make this city an exceptional destination. Marvel at the architectural brilliance of Burj Khalifa. Shop till you drop in the extravagant Dubai Mall. Soak in the art and culture at Al Fahidi Historic Neighborhood, or experience an adrenaline rush at the Dubai Miracle Garden. Moreover, whether you're a culture aficionado, a foodie, a thrill seeker, or a party animal, Dubai has something to offer you. The city caters to all tastes and preferences, promising an experience that is as diverse as its population. Engage in activities, from exploring the historical wonders to indulging in modern luxuries. Experience the hustle and bustle of the city, the tranquility of its beaches, the thrill of its adventure sports, and the charm of its local culture. In conclusion, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable experience. Dubai is not just a city, it's a world in itself, a world that promises to leave you amazed, delighted, and yearning for more. Last, but not least, before we end this amazing journey through Dubai, we have a small request. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps us to continue bringing you more content like this. And if you're not already part of our community, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. We regularly upload travel guides like this one, exploring the best of what the world has to offer. Remember, your support keeps us going and helps us create more comprehensive and exciting travel content. So, like, subscribe, and join us on this incredible journey around the globe. Stay tuned for more videos, and we promise to keep bringing you the best of travel, food, culture, and adventure. Until next time, keep exploring and safe travels.